Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, and I hope you all are safe. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's videos, I am going to tell about some free courses by TCS. Friends, these free courses will help you in when you are applying for the job and also during your interview. Friends, most of our resume when we apply for the jobs gets rejected. The reason is we do not have any extracurricular activities. Okay, we do not have done any kind of extra activities other than our curriculum, so that is the reason our resume gets rejected. Most of us, we do not have done any kind of extra things, and that is what in interview the interviewer asks, what have you done other than your college curriculum and college subject? That time we will not have any kind of answers. Okay, and friends, you will be also getting a certificate. So if you open the course, okay, then you can see you will be also getting the certificate of achievement. Congratulations, Deepak Sonwane, for successfully completing TCS ION Career Edge Young Professional, a course that covers these are the basic things. Okay, now friends, what I wanted to say, so when you put in your resume that you have completed a course of communication skill from TCS, if you put in resume that you have completed an interview skill course from TCS, if you put that you have done TCS ION Career Edge Young Professional courses, if you have done Introduction to Soft Skill courses from TCS, if you put you have done Career Enhancement Program from TCS in your resume, then chances of getting resume selected, okay, in the jobs where you apply will be definitely more. I'm not saying 100%, but definitely more. And so in the recent interviews of TCS, Infosys, Capgemini and all, so students were saying, sir, the interviewer asked me a question, what have you done other than your curriculum activities, other than your college subject, what else you have studied? So that time I did not have any kind of answer. Okay, so friends, that is the reason these courses are important. And as I said, so you will also be getting certificate, and your resume will have at least 4 or 5 lines extra. So in that 4 or 5 lines you will be putting all these things. And these courses are 1 week, 1 week, 1 week or 2 weeks maximum. Okay, so you do not have to have, like, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months courses. No, it is not there. So just 1 week courses. And that too, friends, the very important thing is popular free. So there is something which you are getting from TCS, and that is the free courses. Okay, otherwise all other things are you have paid. Okay, popular paid courses. Now friends, what you have to do is, so you can see I have subscribed for the 2 courses. So if you want to watch, okay, so the assessment will be also there. So once you complete the assessment, you will be getting a certificate. Okay, so let us go for a subscribe now. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm subscribing this course for free. Okay, after I subscribe, okay, so directly it will take you to my products. In my products you can see communication skill and TCS ION Career Edge, and right now interview skills I have selected. Okay, so courses and batches 1. So interview skill batch 4, and the start date is 21st of September and end date is 20th of the December. Okay, now so friends, so within this time you can start anytime for a week and then you can finish it off. Okay, so whenever you start, try to finish within 1 week. And now you can click on launch. So if you click on launch, then interview skill batch 4, so you have course overview, you have introduction, okay, lessons you have, conclusions you have, and assessment you have, and after that you will be getting the certificate. Okay, and you can see the course feedbacks of 432 comments are there, so you can also see their comments. So definitely these courses will be the good course, and you will be able to learn a lot, right? See, many people pays a lot of money and learn all these skills. So without paying anything, okay, your resume will have a value because you are learning all these courses from TCS, and you do not have to pay anything. Okay, and in interview and when you are applying for the job, that time it will help you a lot. Okay, so the link will be given in description, so open the link and then you will be able to subscribe for all the courses. 5 courses are there, and I also showed you how you will be able to watch it off. Okay, now friends, I wanted to talk something to you which I always do in my all the videos. So friends, how many of you wanted to start your job, your career with a package of 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, right? Okay. So there are very few options we have which will give you more packages, right? So there are FANG companies are there, okay? And getting into FANG companies is very, very tough, okay? Because there is no proper time of, the test, and nothing is very much sure. So what is the other option we have? So other option we have is relevel. So relevel, which which is allowing you to write the test completely free, so you do not have to pay anything. You just need to register for free, and you will be able to get a job of up to 15 lakhs per annum. And the profiles are business development profile, front end development, and back end development test. Okay, so friend, now front end development test is one of the training one, so I'll be talking more about that. So relevel conducts a test, okay, of 1,000 marks. In that you have to secure more than 700, and after that the company will start looking for you. Okay, the companies like Urban Company, Cred, 1mg, Razorpay, Upgrade, all these companies will be hiring. Okay, now, so friends, you can register for free, so definitely you do not have to pay anything. Okay, now, so friend, front end development test, grab jobs worth 15 lakhs per annum. These are the companies. Okay, and the syllabus and everything has been given here, so you can go for downloading the brochure. But before that, friends, so the companies like Cred, so you can see team size and their CTC and about the companies, and moreover what they wanted from us is so sound knowledge of web fundamental and basics of JavaScript, ability to code, knowledge of React, basic knowledge of DS Algo. So if you have 0 years of experience, that means if you do not have any experience, or if you have 3 years of experience, you will be able to apply for this relevel test. Okay, so we are a most frequent goods daily services in India, right? Okay, now friends, and friends, the companies like Cred, 1mg, CureFit, Upgrade, Super Daily will start hiring you. So let us go through some of the companies, and we will see what is their requirement. Okay, so friends, all the link will be given in a description. Okay, so all the companies link will be in the description. Okay, now, so friends, Cred, so team size and their CTC and what is their funding, all the information about Cred is given. Now, so what they need from us is so sound knowledge of web fundamentals and basics of JavaScript, ability to code, knowledge of React, basic knowledge of DS Algo. We will be also covering the syllabus of front end development test, so you do not have to worry at all. Okay, so we are a most frequented goods daily services in India, so Super Daily. So team size and their CTC and about the companies has been given. What they require is JavaScript, CSS and HTML, AngularJS, or React.js. Okay, so let us move to another company of front end development. So WakeFit, okay, is a home solution company that strives to create innovation product. So CTC up to 15 lakhs per annum. And about the companies and what they want is so form grasp of the JavaScript and TypeScript or Clojure script language and its nonsense, and including E6 ES6 plus syntax. Okay, rock solid at working with third party dependency and debugging dependency conflicts, familiarity with native build tools like Xcode, Gradle, Android Studio, and all. Okay, and then one more companies we will take. So this is okay, WakeFit we have covered, right? So friends, these all are your front end development test companies are there. Even you can go back and you can see, so these all are your front end development companies are there. I have covered few of them, so you can take Dainik Bhaskar also. So we are DB Digital, a digital product company focused exclusively on building the best content products for India. Their CTC team size and about the companies has been mentioned, and the required skill is Node.js, React, and TypeScript. Okay, so this link will be also given in the description. You do not have to worry at all. Okay, now friends, so this is Relevel home page, you can say the Relevel website, and here you are completely going to register for free. Okay, but before that I will also take you through their syllabus. So front end development test. Okay, so there will be rounds, multiple rounds will be there, round 1 and 2, round 3 and 4, round 5. Result declaration within 5 working days after the test. Company placement continues. And friends, one good thing is you will be able to complete your test in only 1 day, and that too you can select the date of your choice. Okay, so now if you'll come to the syllabus, so we have back to basics, assess your algo, create your feature, optimize your feature, face the interview, and after this which company will be hired. So all these top companies, top MNCs, and like this your level score will come. So once you write the test, so like this your level score will come, and your syllabus is computer science fundamental, front end web development. Okay, so friends, this is what you have to again look at once, and then come here and click on register for free. So once you click on register for free, then you select front end development test. Okay, then click on register for free, and then you need to select a date. So you can select the date of your choice. I'm selecting October 14th. Okay, you can select any date of your choice, and then you can see you have selected the date, Thursday, October 14, 2021. And now there is a last step. So you need to submit your video resume to confirm the test date. And how to make a video resume? It's very simple. Okay, so you can just look at this once and start recording. You need to tell about yourself, okay, your achievement, and accordingly you will be able to submit your video resume. So friends, these courses are really very helpful, and whatever is helpful and which can help you in any ways, that is what I communicate to a student. Okay, see, from our videos there are many YouTube channels are there and they will make videos that whatever we are doing, something is wrong, something is fake news. So there are multiple channels are there who does that, but we totally, we don't care about anything. We just care about our student. So whatever is useful, we represent it for you, and I know many of you are getting utilizing it, because whenever I see this Infosys and Capgemini, our comments will be full of, sir, thanks for the videos, we got this job, we got that job. And I literally feel very happy, because we are not only into the like job notifications and all, right? So our main aim is to make you prepare for the upcoming examination. Okay, so your love is very much required for us, your support is very much required to us, so that we can work day and night for you guys. So thank you, and see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखना यार.